Have you ever found yourself in the heart of a storm, feeling the raw power of nature at its most extreme? Imagine, if you will, the unfolding of such an event, a tempest named Storm Bert, a force of nature that left an indelible mark on the landscapes and lives of the United Kingdom. The days leading up to the storm were deceptively calm, the usual hustle and bustle of life in England and Wales carried on, oblivious to the imminent chaos. But as the first signs of Storm Bert began to show, a chill of anticipation swept through the air. Welsh First Minister Eluned Morgan described the floods caused by Storm Bert as absolutely devastating, with over 100 millimeters of rain in South Wales leading to severe flood warnings and a major incident declaration. As the storm hit, it was as if life had been put on pause. Transport services were halted, roads transformed into rivers, and homes were plunged into darkness as power outages spread. The storm caused more than just physical damage. It claimed lives, leaving a nation in mourning. 5 deaths were reported, a grim reminder of the storm's merciless power. But it is in the aftermath of the storm that the true extent of the damage becomes apparent. Residents in flood-hit Tenbury Wells describe how everything's been wiped out. More than 100 flood warnings remain in force, including one danger to life warning in Northamptonshire. The cleanup efforts are expected to continue throughout the week, a testament to the storm's relentless destruction. So, what can we learn from Storm Bert? The storm serves as a stark reminder of the devastating impacts of extreme weather events, likely exacerbated by climate change. It underscores the importance of robust infrastructure and effective flood defenses to protect communities from such weather events. Above all, it illustrates the resilience of the human spirit in the face of adversity, as communities rally together to rebuild and recover. In summary, Storm Bert was a tempest that brought devastation and disruption in its wake. It served as a grim reminder of the power of nature and the need for preparation and resilience in the face of such extreme weather events. We must remain vigilant, for storms like Bert are becoming less the exception and more the rule. Thank you for watching Topics on Trend. Go ahead and check out another trending video on our channel here.